everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if Teams notifications not working. So to start, go to the top right and click on the three dots right there besides your profile picture. So once you click the three dots, from the options, look for settings, then open it. Now, on the left side, look for notifications and activity. Select that. Then from here, make sure mute all notifications is turned off. So if it's turned on or enabled, make sure to disable it. So toggle it off just like so. Next, down here, so it says when Windows Do Not Disturb is on, don't show Teams notification. So make sure this is disabled too. You can also click Open Windows Do Not Disturb settings and make sure it is turned off. So go back to Teams and check all the other notifications in here and make sure they are turned on. Now, if that still doesn't work, you can also close Teams completely. So close it and reopen it again. So press enter to open it and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.